Hello everybody, I am Dr. Rukamani Nair. I am working as a medical superintendent in BNCSY Wellness Medispa, and I am practicing naturopathy for the last 32 years. Today I am going to discuss you on the topic rheumatoid arthritis and its management through naturopathy and yoga. You know, rheumatoid arthritis is a systemic inflammatory disorder which affects various organs and systems like the skin and then the muscles and blood vessels, heart, lungs, etc. But it particularly targets the joints, and then when causing inflammatory synovitis. When inflammatory synovitis continues, it leads destruction of the articulating cartilage of those joints, and later on leads to even ankylosis. In such conditions, the joint is unable to move. And almost now the prevalence of this disease is 1% in the urban population, and this disease affects more in the women during their reproductive age, and it is more prevalent almost 3 to 5 times than men. But in olden age, after 50 to 60 years, both male and female are almost equally affected. And today there is no exact known cause of rheumatoid arthritis, but in developing countries like India, we can say that the disease has affected almost in the sedentary lifestyle people, but it is also considered that genetic factors and also environmental and autoimmune plays a pivotal role in the development, causation and chronicity of the disease. And rheumatoid arthritis has various signs and symptoms like fatigue, malaise, pain, uneasiness, body ache of the whole body muscles, and also stiffness of the joints, particularly in the early hours of the morning, which lasts for even hours. So along with that, there will be tenderness, there will be inflammation, warmness of the joints, and a difficulty, and then somebody works with a limping, and also they will have a lot of low grade fever type and so on. So when it comes into the such signs and symptoms are noticed, you need to go and see that to the doctor. How can it can be diagnosed by consulting for better and easy and sooner recovery of this dreaded disease. So when it comes into naturopathy and yoga, there are various modalities in naturopathy like massage therapy, mud therapy, hydrotherapy, chromotherapy, dieting, fasting and nutrition, etc. So among these naturopathy treatments, the most markable treatments which are already proven is like massage therapy of the whole body, but of course massage is prohibited when the person runs into fever, but again followed by it can be hot and cold contrast packs of almost all the affected joints are highly beneficial, and a mud therapy like cold mud application to the abdomen in the early morning on empty stomach, which is also very good as it hastens the recovery. So when it comes into likewise numerous types of therapies are there in naturopathy, and when yoga, we all know that yoga is very well known to integrate the human personality both physically and mentally, and the most important yoga asana series are Pavanamuktasana series part 1, and a certain pranayamas, relaxation techniques such as pranayama, Brahmari pranayama, Kapalabhati pranayama, Anulom Vilom, etc. So if one follows such a regime of yoga and naturopathy right from the starting of the disease, along with modern medication, it can give a very sooner recovery, and even in due course of time one can reduce the dose of the medicines also, and can lead a very healthy quality life. So if you have any query or you want to consult us, please contact us on Lybrate. Thank you very much.